female reproductive system. Reproductive system is mainly two types, male reproductive system and female reproductive system. And this female reproductive system also contains two types of organs, female internal organs and external organs. Internal organs are located inside of the body, that's why it is not visible. Okay, and external organs are located outside of the body, we can able to visible. Okay, these two also playing a vital role for the female reproduction, and this is the structure of the female external reproductive system. And this is the vulva. Okay, in the vulva what are the parts are present in the external system, we can see. And this first structure is called as the mons pubis. Okay, and this mons pubis is made up of fatty tissues, and in this area there is a presence of the hair. Pubic hair will grow here. Okay, and the second structure is called as labia majora. From the mons pubis there is a arises from two sides, there is a structure is called labia majora. Here what is the meaning of labia? Labia means it is a lip like structure is called as labia. Majora means it is a large. There is a large lip like structure is present in the female vulva, that is called labia majora. And one more structure is called as the labia minora. This structure is called as labia minora. Already you know what is the meaning of labia. Labia means it is a lip. Minora means it is a small. There is a small lip like structure is present in the female vulva, that is called labia minora. So what is the benefit of this labia majora and labia minora? These two labia majora and labia minoras covering are giving protection to the female external reproductive organs, especially this clitoris and urethral opening and the vulva. That is the main benefits of this. Okay, and next part is called clitoris. This is a small structure like a finger like projection, that is called clitoris. So what is the main benefit of this clitoris? Okay, during the sexual intercourse it is a pleasure. Sometimes they will feel some pleasure to stimulation of this part also. Okay, that is the main benefit. And coming to this urethral opening, through this urethral opening only the females they can able to urinate. Okay, and this is a structure is called as vagina. This is the opening, vaginal opening. So what is the main benefit of this vagina? It is made up of muscle. Okay, and this vagina is having three main functions here, and it is allowing the menstrual flow when the female girl is having menstruation, and also the newborn baby also coming through this way only. In the normal vaginal delivery it can able to allow the baby through this way. Okay, and also in this sexual intercourse also it can able to insert the penis. Okay, this is doing three main functions. Okay, and this is the main structure of the female external reproductive system. And next